A new definition of luxury meets the future of production at Mercedes-Benz. Production of the EQS electric saloon started at Factory 56 in the Mercedes-Benz Sindelfingen plant. Flexible, digital, efficient, and sustainable. The EQS is integrated into ongoing series production at the site as the first all-electric model. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class Saloon, the long-wheelbase version, and the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class are already rolling off the production line at Factory 56. EQS production in Factory 56 exemplifies sustainable and CO2-neutral vehicle manufacturing at Mercedes-Benz. Numerous measures that enhance environmental protection and resource conservation characterize the factory. As just one example, photovoltaic systems on the roof of the hall cover yearly around 30% of the electricity demand. Due to maximum flexibility, the assembly of different models and drive types on one line is possible. The processes and equipment in the production hall of Factory 56 can therefore be precisely adapted to the requirements of the EQS electric model. This becomes clear, for example, in the full flex marriage, whereby the vehicle body is connected to the drive system. The marriage in Factory 56 consists of several modular stations. Different powertrain variants can thus be connected to the respective vehicle bodies on the same line. Efficiency in production has also been significantly increased, which is partly due to the high level of digitalization. EQS production and development follow a new concept. Product development and production of Mercedes-Benz are becoming even more digital and smarter. The MO360 digital ecosystem forms the basis for production. The entire digitalization strategy with its focus on people aims to provide the best possible support for the more than 1,500 employees at Factory 56 in their daily work. Having the right qualifications plays an important role, especially when handling high-voltage technology. The employees in vehicle production therefore received intense training.